Now, students, we are starting with public distribution system, which is also known as PDS. So, public distribution system is also one of the public facilities in which the government is providing food, basic food to the people, to the poor people of rural and urban areas in a very nominal rate. We have already studied this in class 9. Now, it plays a very important role, as we can see in today's time also. We can see that the PDS is providing food to everybody free of cost, just because of the this pandemic corona. So, some states like Tamil Nadu has a well-functioning public distribution system for supply of food grains to poor people in rural areas, whereas Jharkhand does not have efficient PDS system. In Tamil Nadu, 75% of the people living in rural areas use a ration shop, whereas in Jharkhand, only 8% of the rural people are able to do so. So, PDS plays a very important role for providing food facilities to the people, especially to the poor people of the rural and urban areas. Because why PDS is important? Because in a nation it is very essential that the human resource, that the people should get adequate amount of food. So PDS system is very important. Now our next topic is body mass index. How the body mass index, what is it? Actually, nutrition is another important aspect of development. Internationally, a standard known as body mass index is used. BMI is used to determine whether an adult is undernourished or not. If we divide the weight of a person by the square of his or her height, we get a ratio which is called BMI. So BMI is equal to weight in kgs divided by height in meter square. So if BMI is below 18.5, if you'll apply this formula to an adult, and if you'll get BMI below 18.5, it means that the person is undernourished. And if you'll apply this formula and you'll get BMI over 25, then that person is overweight. So by this formula we can find out how many person in a nation, in a state, or in an area is undernourished or overweighted. So for a developing nation, for a developed one, it is very important that the people, that the human resource should get adequate amount of nutrition. Because if the human resource will be good, then only the nation will be developing, or it will become a developed nation. So BMI is very important. So you should take out BMI of an adult, not of a children. So if the weight of a person, of a 1.65 meter tall adult is below 50.5 kg, the person will be considered undernourished. However, if the same person's weight is over 68 kg, the person is considered overweight. This standard is not applicable for growing children. Okay, now next is Human Development Index, which is also known as HDR. Human Development Index or Human Development Index report. Now, what is Human Development Index? Actually, Human Development Index is the quality of life index prepared by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. So what is Human Development Index? It is the quality of life index. Which kind of life? Whether the life living by the people of the nation are quality life or not. So the life index prepared by UNDP, United Nations Development Program, is known as Human Development Index. Human Development Report published by UNDP is one of the best method to measure development. On the basis of this development, the report compares countries based on three criteria. ठीक है. On the basis of this report, the human development UNDP compares country on the basis of three criteria. First is living standard, which is based on per capita income. Second is what is the health status of the people living in the country. Life expectancy, through life expectancy they'll calculate this, and educational level of the people through list by calculating literacy rate and enrollment rate. They'll get the educational level of the people living in that particular country. So India occupies 130th rank in HDR, Human Development Report, in 2018. The Human Development Index HDI considers public health, education, poverty level, inequality and environmental aspects to measure human development.